1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Hello, this is your teacher JC and welcome to my YouTube channel. Are you surprised why I am here? Or why our introduction in today's video is different from my previous videos? Because personally, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to all the viewers who subscribed my channel. Luckily, we reached more than 1,000 subscribers. From the bottom of my heart, thank you so much. And to my family, to my friends, Cardam's family, Tala family, my best friends, Aiza, Jeffrey, and to you, Arvin Luna, if you're watching right now, thank you for the limitless support and thank you for watching my videos. And to you, yes, you, if you are new to my channel, if you want to learn basic English and math, what are you waiting for? Feel free to subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to be updated to our upcoming videos. So, are you excited for today's topic? What are we waiting for? Let's start! And for today's video, we will be discussing about fraction and decimal using models. Let's start. Decimals. Numbers that have in the tens place, hundreds place, and beyond are called decimals. A decimal point is used to separate the ones place to the tens place. On your right side, you will see varied examples of decimals. Now, let me show it to you the decimal place value chart. This is our decimal place value chart. On your right side, you will see the word decimal and the decimal point. The places before the decimal point are ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. And the places after the decimal point on each right are tenths, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Be mindful with the spelling. Okay? Now, the first place after the decimal point or the decimal is got by dividing the number by 10. That's why it is called tenths or tenths place. The second place after the decimal is got by dividing the number by 100. That's why it is called hundreds place. Our third, the same thing, it is got by dividing the number by 1,000. That's why it is called thousands place. And for our fourth place, the same process is got by dividing 10,000. That's why it is called 10,000ths place. Do I make myself clear? Let me give you an activity. Use a model to show 6 over 10. On your right side, you will see the model. It has 10 columns and 6 were shaded. That's why it is 6 over 10. So we shaded 6 columns. In word form, it is 6 tenths. In decimal, it is 0.6. In our place value chart or decimal place value chart, it looks like this. Our ones is 0, we have the decimal point, and our tenths place is 6. On your right side, you will see a model. Now let's count how many columns. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 columns. Now, how many columns were shaded? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 columns were shaded out of 10. Therefore, it is 4 over 10 in fraction. In word form, it is 4 tenths. In decimal, it is 0.4. In our decimal place value chart, our ones is 0, we have the decimal point, and our tens place is 4. Another one. Together, let's count the columns. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many columns were shaded? It's 7. In fraction, it is 7 over 10. And in word form is 7 tenths. In decimal place value chart, our ones is 0. We have the decimal point after ones, and our tens place is 7. Here, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 columns. Now let's count how many small boxes in each column. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 small boxes in each column. So let's count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. All in all, we have 100 small boxes. Now, my next question is, how many small boxes were shaded? Together, let's count. We have here 10, 20, 30, and let's count 1, 2, 3, 4. So 34 small boxes were shaded. In fraction, it is 34 over 100. In word form, 34 hundredths. In decimal form, 0.34. In our decimal place value chart, it looks like this. Our ones is 0, followed by decimal point. Tenths is 3, and hundredths is 4. Together, let's count the columns. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. The same thing, we have 10 columns, and also we have 10 small boxes in each column. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 small boxes. How many small boxes were shaded? It's 52. In fraction, it is 52 over 100. In word form, 52 hundredths. In decimal form, it is 0.52. In our decimal place value chart, we have 0 as our ones, decimal point, tenths, 5, hundredths, 2. Next, the same thing, we have 10 columns, and we have 100 small boxes. How many small boxes are shaded? Let's count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 small boxes were shaded. In fraction, it's 9 over 100. In word form, it is 9 hundredths. In decimal form, it is 0.09. In our decimal place value chart, our ones is 0, our tens is 0, and our hundreds place is 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 columns, and we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 small boxes. Together, let's count how many small boxes were shaded. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 small boxes were shaded. In a fraction, it is 5 over 100. In word form, it's 5 hundredths. In decimal form, it is 0.05. In our decimal place value chart, our ones is 0. We have the decimal point. Our tens is 0. Our hundreds place is 5. 5 hundredths. Do I make myself clear? And that concludes our lesson for today. I hope you have understood our lesson about fraction and decimal using models. But if you still have questions, clarifications about our lessons for today, don't forget to write that one in the comments section below, and I'll do my best to answer all your concerns. Okay? So once again, this is your teacher JC saying, never stop learning, for when we stop learning, we stop growing. Goodbye.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.